start with the basic sketching. Here I am making a tree. Just making some marks to help me out while I color. Making another tree in which I'll be using some warmer colors. Same, some marks. Now I'm using lemon yellow to create the background effect. This is the base coat of watercolor. It's very important you maintain the quantity of water, otherwise the color will flow out of your paper. Using some sap green. Once the base coat is done, I'll use some darker colors as well. This is cadmium yellow to give the shades. Putting some darker colors to make the shades. The paper here I'm using is handmade watercolor paper. It's a handmade paper with fine grains. It holds the water very good, so it helps me make watercolor paintings. Because paper is very important. And the brush which I'm using, it's a round brush, number 12. Some more dark shades at the bottom to create the effect of the leaves. Some patches in between as well. Once done with the leaf section, we'll go towards the trunk. I'm using the green itself. Later on I'll use some darker shades. A bit of sap green mixed with black. A tinge of brown and some effect of branches in between. And a bit of grass. It's almost done. Some more red lines. And final touch. Yeah, the fresh tree is done, and this one I'll start with some warm colors, a bit of orange and Indian red. Moving with the darker shades, a bit of burnt sienna. Little bit of scarlet as well. Some burnt sienna. This time I'm using brown number 6. It's a Camlin series 66 brush. Some more brown. some patches here and there to give the effect of dry leaves. Adding a bit of black as well to create some shadow. Now comes the trunk part where I'm using black and burnt sienna mixed together to create darker shades, including the ground part as well, and some finishing touches. Well, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more such videos. Missing palette? Thank you.